So we're here at Chatsworth. We've had this place for over 20 years now. They've always been a loyal customer to us and they've always been happy with our work. So we take a lot of pride in making this place look like how it does right now. It's beautiful. Whew, mate, I haven't been this tired since I jumped off that toilet with a snake in it. Whew, all the time my dog ran away chasing that kangaroo, chased it down the road into the lake. God damn, this is crazy. Oh, nice grass, mate. G'day guys, how you doing? Welcome back to another episode of Landscaping Secrets. It's great to have you guys back. Dakota Dundee, of course. I'm missing the hat, but you know, it's not too sunny today, so we'll get away with it. So today we're here in Raleigh, North Carolina. We're here at a homeowners association, one of the ones we do every single week here. So today we're actually putting in some edging system around the mulch. We've had some complaints from the HOA regarding the mulch leaving the garden beds and kind of pouring over the curbs. So we're going to put some edging in today and hopefully keep it all nice and clean, looking sharp. So this is the area right at the front of the pool here. We've got these two mulch beds. As you can see, look at the mulch coming out the side. It's just, I'm out of control. So even on the footpath, it's, yeah. This is the reason we are putting in edging today, to keep this all contained in nice and neatly. So we've already got started over here. We've raked back the mulch, put a line through with the edger. You always want to make sure it's at least 2 inches down. Even from standing back, you want to see that it's 2 inches down in order for the edging to sit below the ground and not have, you know, mulch being able to come underneath it. So as you can see, we started pulling back some of the mulch. Helps us to the line for the edge here, so in order to put the edging in. So we'd usually start off by using the edger to make the 2-inch line deep. Due to there's concrete just below this surface and the root system growing through, we've just gone ahead and used this thin shovel in order to get the depth down there. I've got 2 black steel edges already installed here, guys. So in order to get to the end here, we're going to have to go ahead and measure it and see exactly how long it is, so we can then cut from this other piece to finish off this side here. So I'm going to go ahead and measure this side. 25 inches. I'll put this up against it. We want to make a straight line. You know, we don't want it to be crooked. There we go. Get this stuff out of the way. Just want to set this up on a block, something up high. Looking good so far. It's all starting to come together. Fernando's pushing the mulch to the edge. Fill it in. Starting to look nice and tight. Just kidding, found the hat. Yeah boy. Now we're gonna blow everything down. We've got the first garden finished. Fernando's blowing everything back into the bed. Hot, maybe 90 degrees. What's hot in Spanish?
Caliente.
It's bloody scaliente, mate. Bloody scaliente. Sometimes dirt can fill back in those gaps. So just go along, get your fingers, run it through. Because you know we can always blow this back on. Definitely always need at least 2 people doing edging. Always need 1 person holding while the other hammers the stakes in. That's it, mate, hit it hard. Yeah. On some of these hot summer days, make sure you keep it hydrated. hate this spot. The root of all evils are the ones stuck in the ground right here. They're not letting the stakes go through them, so look at the wood. It's getting hammered, literally. Just gonna have to keep going. Try and break through this root. So we're off to a good start. Got these 2 front beds done. Looking sharp. We're gonna get them all perfect tomorrow because we still got to come back and do these other 2 mulch beds. But it's a solid start. And yeah, it's not easy out here. It's really hot. Whew, I can't remember that word in Spanish. Fernando told me. It's caliente. It's caliente. But we'll be back tomorrow and we'll continue the video and I'll show you guys the end result. Alright, we're back here, day 2. Weather's not looking great, but we're going to quickly finish off these beds. And yeah, we haven't got much left to do. Past halfway, so let's get it! So first step out here, we're going to dig a trencher on the beds in order to create the 2 inches below the ground in order to put the edging in. So we're going to go ahead, use the edger blade to make these lines around the edge, and you know, we'll go over it a couple times, make sure it's the right depth. Second step, insert the edging. We're going to cut and trim the edging in order to fit, especially going around the corners. We need to measure it out with tape measure, put a line on and cut it down exactly straight. We want everything to look flush, we don't want anything out of place, so we're going to go ahead and take our time with that. So this piece has gone past the wall here, so we're going to go and head and cut even with the wall, and then we'll be finished with this side. Step 4 is to anchor the edging down with the stakes all the way down so it's flush with the side of the edging. Then once that's done, step 6 will be backfilling the edge with the mulch, getting it flush with the top of the edging, and then once that's done, just put the finishing touches on. Not too bad, not too shabby. What do you think, Fernando? Looks good?
Perfect.
Nice. Edging's done. Long 2 days here. Oh, I nearly got in the way of a car. It's tiring. Very caliente. It's nice to be finished. Everything looks great. And yeah, looking forward to being back here to the next project. See you guys on the next episode. Stay tuned. We love all the support. Continue that. Channel's finally starting to grow. Trying to get some subscribers on. So really appreciate it, guys. And see you guys on the next one. Dundee out, mate.